Hi, my name is Lace McCartney and I'm with Hancock County Extension. I'm the Purdue Agriculture and Natural Resources educator, and I wanted to show you how to use Foodlink as a producer to help you to market your product. So I'm going to look up Purdue Foodlink in my search engine and it takes you to the website. Foodlink is a USDA grant that was given to Purdue Extension to promote the produce in Indiana and throughout the Midwest to help producers as well as consumers to be connected. And this video is focused on producers and what you can use this for free to market your products. So in the front page, it just basically is interesting. It shows featured fruits and a did you know section. And where it will be helpful for you is to go to producers. There's marketing materials and there's produce signs. So for instance, let's look at watermelon. Basically the QR code would take them to this section right here, which could be sorted from A to Z. I'm going to go Z to A so we can find watermelon. I want to show you what it looks like to look at a QR code with your phone. I put it over the watermelon QR code and it popped up the website. I clicked the website and it takes me directly to the website page all about watermelons that we just saw on the website itself. But this is on a phone. This is an iPhone. It has the recipes. And what's interesting is consumers can learn how to store things and all kinds of information. And you just have to have one QR code. You may not even have to print anything. That QR code will take them to this watermelon page where it talks about how to find a good watermelon. Look for a yellowish spot where the watermelon rested on the ground. Pick a symmetrical melon that seems heavy for its size. Nutritional information, what it's good to pair with, some fun quick facts, the types of watermelon that's around, how long it can be stored, and here's some recipes. So some ideas for a producer can be to use this information that is available to you on that website to promote it on like Facebook or your social media. So for instance, right now, April 13th, asparagus might be coming up and you may want to be selling some asparagus, and you could make a social media post about asparagus. So for instance, you could copy this post, and I'm going to move my Foodlink page and I'm going to look at my extension page. So you go into publish post. You can actually make some scheduled posts when you have time. So you can create a post and you can paste that link for asparagus. You can even copy this picture, right click, save image as. I'm going to call it asparagus. And so it's a great idea to add this photo. So I'm going to add that photo. You can use these photos on the website. Watch for our asparagus in next week's market offering. You can say when you want it to be posted. Let's say you want it to be posted in a week and you want them to know before the market. So let's say you want to do it on Friday so they could see it at 10:54 a.m. on Friday when they're still at work and look forward to tomorrow's farmer's market. So that's a way you can use your Facebook and also your Foodlink. So to get just a Foodlink QR code that anyone can go to, you can just basically have this one printout and it will take them to the Foodlink website with their phone QR reader, or they can just use their camera, which will take them to this website. That way they can search the correct item that they want and you don't have to have QR codes on each individual item. And another really great way to promote your produce is recipe cards. You can find your produce. Let's say you're bringing out some apples and you want to have some recipes for people to be able to pick up. There's a few options for apples, but this one it tells specifically about the apple, and then on the back it gives you a crunchy chicken salad recipe with all the important information and the QR code to the recipe, so they don't maybe have to have this. They can just have it on their phone. And you can just print this from your computer and it'll just print 4 little recipe cards. Pretty cute and convenient. You can share this link so you have a single one, and you can just share it on your social media by copying this link and putting it back into your Facebook page. Just like we did earlier, you can make a post and you can just put it in a scheduled post. Let us know if you have any questions, and we hope that Foodlink is helpful to you as you promote your produce and sell it this spring. Thanks.